Hi, welcome back to Canberra. It's a big week this week. We've got the flood levy on the table. It's a really important levy because we need to rebuild Queensland, we need to rebuild Australia, we need to get back on task and making sure that the economy is functioning fully. As big as it's here in Canberra, it's not as big as the issues that are affecting my electorate, where thousands of people have lost their homes and we've got masses of infrastructure to rebuild. I ask for your support. Please support us in rebuilding Queensland and Australia. Support us by supporting the flood levy.